WordPress Playground is a game-changing project that brings unparalleled accessibility to WordPress for users, learners, extenders, and contributors. Developed by Adam Zielinski and contributors, this platform allows you to install and run WordPress directly in your web browser. You do not need any server installations like PHP, MySQL, or Apache. This innovative platform opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to effortlessly interact with WordPress in various ways. A remarkable feature is the freedom to try blocks, themes, or plugins hassle-free, exploring different functionalities. Additionally, you can build entire sites, save your progress, and even host them, making it an excellent tool for creative experimentation. For developers, WordPress Playground serves as a valuable testing ground. Easily test plugins with different WordPress and PHP versions, ensuring compatibility across various setups. For educators, the platform provides an exceptional opportunity to embed real, interactive WordPress sites into tutorials or courses. This enables learners to experience WordPress firsthand and gain practical knowledge in a dynamic learning environment. Moreover, WordPress Playground allows developers and designers to showcase their work effectively. Whether you're presenting a plugin or theme, you can demonstrate its capabilities on your website, attracting a wider audience and receiving valuable feedback. If you're involved in contributing to WordPress or managing repositories, the platform offers a convenient way to preview pull requests directly. This streamlines the review process and enhances collaboration within the community. For local development, WordPress Playground caters to your needs as well. Use Visual Studio Code plugin or WP Now CLI tool to run WordPress locally, enabling smooth debugging and testing of your themes and plugins. Installing plugins is a breeze. Upload a zip file or use URL query parameters to launch a WordPress site with your desired plugin. Developers can also embed live theme demos using an iframe tag, thanks to WordPress Playground's multiple configuration options available as query parameters. As WordPress Playground evolves, creators explore its capabilities, revolutionizing WordPress development. WordPress Playground opens up endless possibilities for developers or creative individuals. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to support our tutorials.